Hi Ronnie,
Hello Aisha,
how are you?
I am fine and you?
I'm also fine.
Please tell me about your family.
Yes,
What's on your mind today? Please let me know your opinion.
about family.
I see.
I think Shaja's family is good
What caused you to feel that way?
because the family members believe in themselves.
What other reasons might there be? What other reasons might there be?
Well, I don't know.
I'd like to know more about your opinion.
I don't like family so much.
That is quite interesting.
Yeah,
I'd like to know more about your opinion.
my family members aren't friendly, so I can't talk with them.
I see.
Do you have family members?
Why do you think that?
I don't know who you are.
Why do you ask?
I'm sorry. I am sorry.
That's okay. Please continue.
Okay, Ronnie. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, Aisha. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, bye. Subscribe our channel and regular uploading our videos this channel.